let me show you how to remove a wall plug so that we can match the holes. So to remove the wall plug, we can make use of a hook like this. Then you screw in, not too much, just enough to have a grip, and pull. There's not enough grip, just turn more. Alright. Just it. Not too hard. You see, it starts to become loose. When it becomes loose and the grip is getting less, then you turn the screw in more so that the grip will be there. Okay, if you miss an average, make use of this. Be careful not to scratch the surface. There you go. So that's how you can remove the plug from the wall. So how to get this out? Use a plier. To have a grip, and then turn it anti-clockwise, and there you go.